Guys, let's hard reset Samsung A13. Password remove. Switch off the phone. Plug in USB, laptop USB. Start charging. Okay. Press volume up and power key together. Release the power key when you see Samsung logo. Keep pressing. Volume up. Now release all the buttons. From volume down. Wipe data factory reset. Okay. Select with power key. And the volume down. Power key is wiping. Is wiped. You need to reboot now. Just with the power key. Press one click only. This is Samsung Galaxy A13. Must be patient. Your battery minimum charge should be 30%, 40%. Don't press any key. Wait until it's in the menu. It can take 5 minutes, maybe 4 minutes, 5 minutes. It's almost. It take 2 minutes, 1 minute at maximum. Guys, be patient. It's Samsung Galaxy A13. See, hard reset. Remove the password. As you can see, it's coming on now. Okay, just go start. Agree. Skip. Don't copy. If you need to copy, you can copy. Next. Skip anyway. Please subscribe my channel, support my new channel. Like the video if it's helpful. Skip. Finish. So guys, this phone is ready to use now. No password. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.